Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC, import the video and add to track. Click on the option where it is written 16:9. Now, as you can see, there are bunch of ratios which you can select. Now if you want your video for Instagram Reels, select 9:16. Now here's the problem. The video is much smaller. So just click on the video and increase its scale like this. Off this option, uniform scale. And you can also decrease or increase its width like this, or its height like this. That's it for the video. That's how you can change aspect ratio in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.